Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Then what happens? Your global sheet is empty now. But your script is trying to identify the agent name from the global sheet. So if you press that, then it says you cannot find that. You cannot find the agent name in this. Because the column is not there in the global sheet. Because of the Excel sheet, sheet 1 is the first sheet, and then that is empty. Then your script is going to fail. So that way, in order to overcome these problems, you got the problem, what the issue is with import. Whoever asked the question?
It was me. I asked you the question.
Okay.
Rastan, today your voice is not much clear. I mean, I can hear you, but not 100%. I don't know if others are also having the same problem.
Okay. So this is the deal. So I don't know why my voice is not clear. I'm going to stop the recording part and then I can use my phone. Is that okay with everybody? If my voice is not clear. Because actually I'm using mic because I'm doing recording the sessions. If everybody is okay, then I'm going to stop recording and then I can use my phone.
Yeah, don't stop recording. I know it's not very clear, but we would like you to record, please.
Okay, so that's why, like, it's up to you people, like, because you people have to say, some people are saying its voice is very clear and some people are saying it's not clear. I didn't really get, like, whether it's clear or not clear. That's what really bothers me. If it is not clear, then I can use my stand so that my voice is pretty clear with that. So what do you want me to do? Okay, if it is clear, then I'm going ahead and use it. So this is what actually I'm saying. When you use import method, whatever that default sheet from your Excel sheet that comes, and then your script is going to test. Is this clear to everybody? The issue. Okay, with import. So this is what actually you see the error. If somebody change your Excel sheet, and then he inserts one more sheet, and then he did something, and then your script is going to fail. In order to overcome this problem, we are going to use import sheet, not just the import. Okay, because we don't want to take those risks in real-time project. Then instead of doing import, okay, Then I want to create my sheet and I want to import that specific data into a specific sheet in DataTable so that my script never fails. Then what I'm going to do is here, once I get this DataTable, right? Here I'm going to say, please read data from this sheet. So that always you get your usernames and passwords into this sheet. Even if you insert 100 sheets in your Excel, your script never fails. Because always you get your data into this sheet. So now if I execute, okay, so you can press F7 here and close all these windows. And press run. Now, always I get my agent name and password into DT login. I don't mind whatever the data I get into the global sheet because I'm not using any global sheet. I am reading data from this column from this sheet because I always import login data into this sheet of data. So that my script never get into any kind of issue. Even if somebody inserts the sheet or if somebody deletes the sheet, my script never fails. Is clear? Because here instead of global sheet, I'm reading data from my sheet, DT login. That's where I got the login data into this sheet. Clear? Can we use multiple sheets to import? Yes, you can import multiple sheets and then you can read all the data into your script. Okay, how? The next question I know. Okay. How to import multiple sheets? Process is same. You can create different sheets and you can import. So now I'm going to create a reservation. I want to create a reservation sheet and I want to import the reservation data into this sheet. So this way you can import multiple sheets and then you can read the data. Like how you read the data is this way. But when you do this one, then it's going to import. Let's press run. Then you see DT login has the login data, DT reservation is having the reservation data. Okay. That answers your question, Wimpy. And then, so you can read reservation data into your script. Anyway, I don't have that reservation script here. I just already have the login. Suppose if you have the reservation script, then you can also use that. So let me so for example, you have the reservation script right here. So I have to open application and then I have to record. So let me record quickly and then I can show you like how to read the data from the reservation sheet. Alright, so this is one I take and flight from city, flight to city. Click on this flight button and then insert order. It just recorded the script for the reservation and stop it. So these are the script is right for reservation also. And now you can get all your data and then pass it here, right? So that is the data table. You just copy paste. No need to write everything. Once you write, just copy paste the stuff. And now you can open the Excel sheet and you can read the column. So this is the test data, and you have a reservation sheet, and this is the column, right? So this is what you it, and this is basically lifetime city. So select data table, and then the column name, and this is the sheet name, DT reservation. Similarly, fly to city. Just copy paste this line, and then paste it here. And then again, fly to city column name. And then, so this is anyway the reservation sheet. And then the customer also, like you want to do the customer name. So this is the one. This is the customer name. So then what's the column name? Then we have Excel sheet. This is the one. So copy and paste it. So this way now your script is going to read both the sheets, right? The login and the reservation. So this part is login. It's going to read data from login sheet, and this one is going to read data from reservation sheet. So now you can input your data. Okay, so this one is say Portland to Paris, and then customer name is a customer one, and then he's going from London to Paris, customer two. So this way you can enter your data, right? And the login. So if you have different customers, you can do that. Anyway, right now I'm going to take it for 2 iterations because 18 iterations is too much. It's going to take time. Okay, so I have 2 logins, and then the reservation also, like I have this much data. Save it, and then run your script. That is going to use that data. Let's close the Excel sheet. Then run. Okay, so before that, if I want to run for all rows, I go and change this setting. Run on all rows. And okay. Okay, so now your script is good to go. And then let's keep a breakpoint here or here. This will explain at least for 1 iteration what happens at each time. So press run button. Okay, it opens the application because the symmetry is executed. And now here is the breakpoint. Press F11. That login sheet is created. This was the line. And again press F11. So I got the login data, right? And then now its execution is here on the 9th line. So that's F11. Each reservation sheet is created. That's what this line is going to do. Okay. So but it is empty because so again press F11. Okay. Now I got the reservation data also into my script. Okay. So this way I got the login data and also I got the reservation data into the script sheet. And now I'm going to read data from this. Okay, so this was the line, data table, and I want to read the first row, event name column, and the DT login sheet. So press F11, so that it inputs That is the name. That's one. And plus F11, it imports now the password. And plus F7, oh, that's weird. That's wrong button. Okay. So let's make it on this. Okay, so application is logging in. Alright, so now this is the execution is here, and now it's going to read data from the reservation sheet. That's right. And that's going to input. And this particular line is going to read data from reservation, right? The data table. And now it has to switch to the reservation sheet automatically. That's right. See? Now it's reading data from this sheet. So you apply from city and then you select it, the Portland, because that's what the data is. And 7, now apply to city, it's selected Paris. Okay. And there, so let's continue. I'm always this wrong. Anyway, so that's how the script is going to execute, and then it's going to be data from this sheet. Okay, clear? Any questions on this? Importing and then use the data. Let's collect. These are the things like how you can import the sheet into the, and then how you can read data from sheets. In real time, if this kind of warning comes, then what should we do? What kind of warning? I didn't get your question. You have to look at the results, like what it's saying, the warning. Is it saying it's a warning? Yeah, just one look at what this warning is. Just like because I have recovery scenarios active, like if you look at the state, there are recovery scenarios, right? The one that we created before. If you go to the recovery tab, you see these are the different recovery scenarios. That's why you see the warning. Basically, your script ran into different errors. That's what this recovery scenarios are triggered, and then that's why it shows in the warning. So you can look at what this warning is. Okay, so it says like the particular object is not visible, and then it says the flight button is not visible. That means it is something wrong with the script. I mean, like not the script, the execution. Maybe that you have to put some wait time. That's like it's saying this particular warning. Because I pressed the wrong button, it closed the application. That's why it says, hey, I couldn't find this flight button after I entered the flight. Okay, after enter flight, I mistake pressed the wrong button on my keyboard. That's why it closed this application. That's why the script says I cannot find that particular object. Okay, so that's my mistake. That's not the script or the application. So whenever you see this kind of warning, you want to make sure that you re-execute the script and then see again and again you're getting those things or not. So, okay, any question? Because this concept is very important. Because this is the main thing. Even we are going to talk about the data-driven framework later, but this is the concept behind this data-driven framework.
Sam, I tried again. I think I'm making some basic mistake. I'm able to import the data sheet in, but when it's reading it, it's getting stuck on entering the agent name. I take the object repository is fine. Can I share the screen? It will take just a minute or in the end of the class.
Yeah, you can share.
Okay, thanks.
And other people, like in the meantime, yeah, can you share your system?
Yeah, I have a double screen. What does it? Can you view my screen, sir?
Yeah.
These are the basic script, and if I run it, I'm able to see the data. I pull the screen, but here it's coming and getting stuck. I'm not sure whether my the dialog login that is wrong. I'm not sure.
Maybe can you check? Then I suspect there might be two login windows open.
I did check, but now it's opening another one because I think with the recovery scenario.
No. Okay, can you go to your automation Discord and run settings?
Sure.
Yeah, you have to select the first option here.
Okay.
No, not that one. First radio button. Okay. Apply and OK. Because it's opening login windows 2 times, that's why your script is stuck.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think it should work now.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so whenever I'm using the system util, I'm supposed to use the first option.
Yeah, because otherwise like it
Is
opens
that
application 2 times.
okay? Thank you. Thanks.
So you can use either system it is or economic it is. So
To be working fine, so I think I'll make sure that I'll use the first option. Okay, thanks.
okay, any other question? Okay, I thought of doing the checkpoint, but we don't have enough time now. Anyway, so please do this practice and let me know if you have any questions. If you are done, you don't have any questions, so we are done and see you on Monday. Actually, Friday there is no class.
Okay. So I'm sorry, can you also show that export in the same thing, or you want to do it another time? The export sheet, like the import, can we move the runtime data?
Yes, I can make that in the next class because it's too much. Maybe just you people just do the practice, these things. Once you're comfortable with this, then I can explain export for in the next class.
Okay. So I guess this alone,
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.